Tired of that dreaded decline message popping up when you're trying to use your debit card on CASHAPP? Let's dive into the most common reasons why your debit card might be getting rejected and, more importantly, how to fix them first. The most obvious one, insufficient funds. CASHAPP can't pull money you don't have. So double check your bank balance to make sure you have enough to cover the transaction, including any CASHAPP fees. Next, make sure you've entered your debit card details correctly. Even a small typo in the card number, expiration date, or CVV can cause a decline. Go into your CASHAPP profile, find linked banks and cards, select your debit card, and carefully verify all the information. Sometimes the issue isn't your card or your balance, but CASHAPP security measures. If CASHAPP detects unusual activity, like a large or frequent transactions from a new location, it might temporarily restrict your card for security reasons. In this case, try contacting CASHAPP support directly through the app. They can help you verify your identity and remove any restrictions. Another possibility is that your bank is blocking the transaction. Some banks have automatic fraud prevention systems that can flag CASHAPP transactions as suspicious. Give your bank a quick call and let them know you're trying to use your debit card with CASHAPP. Finally, consider verifying your card within CASHAPP. This often involves a small, temporary charge that CASHAPP then reverses. This helps confirm that the card is valid and belongs to you. By checking these common issues, you should be able to troubleshoot those frustrating debit card declines and get back to seamlessly sending and receiving money with CASHAPP.